Here is what nobody talks about. One factory in Kentucky might quietly decide who wins the EV war. This is not just a car plant, it's building batteries, hybrids, and electric vehicles under one roof. Most people think Tesla and BYD already won the electric vehicle race. Toyota disagrees completely. Inside Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Kentucky, workers build a brand new car every single 60 seconds. That means while you read this sentence, another finished Toyota just rolled off the line. Write this down. More than 2,000 vehicles leave this single factory every single day. So how does one plant build cars this fast without ever sacrificing quality or precision? The answer starts with 3 ideas Toyota has used for decades: lean, kaizen, and timing. Lean manufacturing simply means nothing ever gets wasted. No extra material, no wasted motion at all. Every single part arrives exactly when it's needed. Nothing sooner, nothing later, nothing ever wasted. Then comes kaizen, a Japanese philosophy meaning constant, continuous, never-ending improvement. Every single day, workers track everything: machine speed, worker efficiency, and even the smallest place time gets lost. Most people get this completely wrong. They simply assume robots alone build cars this fast. The real secret here is teamwork between humans and machines, working together in perfect rhythm. Robots handle welding and the body assembly with precision accurate down to a single millimeter. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence quietly watches every station, spotting delays before a human even notices them. AI sensors even catch tiny defects that a human eye could so easily miss completely. This next part is the most important part. It's not really about machines at all. More than 8,000 people work inside this factory, and they are its true engine. Someone paints a body panel, another tests batteries, and someone assembles parts down the line. Toyota believes happy workers naturally build better cars, so training here starts on day 1. New employees never touch a machine before learning safety, teamwork, and the technology properly first. Every station includes safety gear, sensors, and alerts that protect workers even before danger happens. During kaizen sessions, any worker can suggest changes, and good ideas get approved almost instantly. Health checkups, relaxation zones, and full insurance coverage are offered to every single worker here. This is why turnover here stays low, while morale and precision stay remarkably high always. That's why people stay here for 10, sometimes 15 years, saying they finally feel heard. Stay with me, because this changes everything. Toyota isn't just building gas and hybrid cars anymore. Right now, inside this same plant, engineers are quietly preparing for a full electric future. The assembly line is being redesigned so petrol, hybrid, and electric cars can share space. Prototype electric models are already being tested here, quietly, long before any public launch date. Meanwhile, engineers are also upgrading charging systems, motor installation, and battery fitment stations quietly here. Nothing about this shift toward electric vehicles feels rushed, forced, or poorly thought through here. Instead, Toyota is testing quietly, adjusting slowly, and preparing for a confident, fully controlled launch. Because once EVs finally roll out here, they'll arrive fully ready, not half-finished experiments ever. This patient approach might actually be Toyota's biggest advantage over faster, far less careful rivals. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. Toyota wants to build its own batteries. No EV works without a strong battery, and Toyota refuses to depend on outside suppliers. So this same Kentucky factory is becoming home to a brand new battery production unit. They're using dry electrode processing, careful layer-by-layer assembly, and complete in-house battery testing. 2 battery types are being developed here: nickel-metal hybrid and powerful lithium-ion cells. One powers hybrid vehicles, the other is built for fully electric cars on the road. Every single battery passes through voltage testing, thermal checks, and strength tests before final approval. Owning battery production also means owning pricing, design freedom, and complete supply chain control fully. No more waiting on outside suppliers, no more surprises, no more compromises on quality ever. That kind of control is exactly what separates a follower from a true industry leader. And Toyota isn't stopping there. They're already working on a brand new solid-state battery. These future batteries charge faster, last longer, and stay safer than today's lithium-ion cells. Write this down. Solid-state batteries could completely change how EVs are trusted long-term. No overheating, no slow charging, no constant anxiety about range on long, unpredictable road trips. If Toyota gets this right first, competitors will spend years simply trying to catch up. This next part is the most important detail in this entire story, so stay focused. A factory built for petrol cars is quietly becoming ground zero for Toyota's electric future. If timelines hold, this factory could produce Toyota's very first solid-state electric vehicle soon. Robots aren't replacing people here. They're simply removing the riskiest, most repetitive tasks entirely instead. Humans focus on judgment, problem-solving, and quality decisions machines still cannot fully replicate here. This balance between human skill and machine precision is what keeps output fast and flawless. Every improvement suggested by a worker gets reviewed quickly, and strong ideas get implemented fast. That culture of listening is rare in massive factories, yet it's somehow completely normal here. It's one reason employees genuinely describe this factory as feeling more like family than work. Here's what nobody talks about. Every single car, whether local or exported, gets tested identically. First, the car connects to a computer, carefully scanning the engine, brakes, sensors, and lights. Then it hits a real test track, facing sharp turns, sudden braking, and high speed. Toyota believes one bad experience can break customer trust forever, so nothing here gets skipped. Every worker here wears safety gear, and every machine includes sensors built to prevent accidents. Nothing is left to chance, not the tools, not the training, not the safety systems. This obsession with safety and precision is baked into everything this factory produces every day. Now let's talk about the cars actually rolling off this line onto American roads today. The Camry, RAV4 Hybrid, and Lexus ES all come straight from this very Kentucky factory. Camry has stayed America's best-selling sedan for years, thanks to sheer comfort, mileage, and durability. RAV4 Hybrid gives drivers real power without sacrificing fuel savings, a combination people genuinely love. And Lexus ES represents Toyota's luxury side, competing directly against even premium brands like BMW. Every one of these cars was designed specifically for long drives and American highway comfort. And that obsession is exactly why Camry remains America's most trusted, best-selling sedan today. It's also why RAV4 Hybrid keeps winning over drivers who refuse to compromise on power. And it's why Lexus ES continues competing confidently against even far pricier luxury competitors today. Toyota's hybrid story actually began years ago, long before hybrids even became a mainstream idea. The Prius proved a car could run on both petrol and electricity without any hassle. That same hybrid technology has now evolved into even better vehicles like the RAV4 Hybrid. So here's the real question everyone keeps asking. Can Toyota actually catch Tesla and BYD? Tesla built its name on futuristic design, software, and pure electric performance from day one. Toyota took a different path, focusing on durability, engine strength, and surprisingly affordable long-term maintenance. Now Toyota is combining both worlds, proven reliability and a genuinely serious electric vehicle future. Once EV models match Toyota's hybrid level of trust, this entire industry could genuinely shift. And that shift is quietly starting inside this exact factory floor. Right now, today, already, Tesla moves fast toward a fully digital future, chasing speed, software, and non-stop innovation daily. Toyota moves differently, believing real change should always happen slowly, carefully, and built to last. Toyota doesn't see cars as machines, but as reliable companions for every road and family. Tesla may lead in raw speed, but Toyota leads in stability, trust, and lasting reliability. And that philosophy is exactly what drives every single car built inside this Kentucky factory. Now think about the bigger picture. Toyota isn't just building cars, it's constantly rebuilding trust. Trust that took decades to earn through quality, safety, and consistent, dependable performance every year. That trust is now being extended into an entirely new category, brand new electric vehicles themselves. So when people ask if Toyota can really compete with Tesla, the answer is simple. It already is. Quietly, patiently, one battery, one car, and one factory at a time. So the next time someone claims Toyota is falling behind, remember what's happening in Kentucky. A factory building a car every 60 seconds, its own batteries, and its own entire future. That's not a company falling behind. That's a company preparing to lead the whole industry. So will Toyota actually pass Tesla and BYD in the race toward an electric future? Based on what's happening inside this one factory, the honest answer might genuinely be yes. Because when a company that builds a car every 60 seconds also builds its own batteries, that company isn't just competing in the EV race, it's quietly rewriting the entire rulebook.